Good day guys, it's your boy Forex Prince again on another video. And on this video I'm going to tell you guys how to get your battle bot installed on your MT4 platform. I've been getting a lot of messages. People are struggling to get the bot into their platform, so I just had to do this video to actually tell you guys how to get your battle bot installed without experiencing much problems. Excuse my voice, I'm having a flu at the moment, and I hope you can hear me clearly and it won't disturb the communication though. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your PC folders. Like I don't know where you actually have your bot at the moment. It might be in the downloads, but mine is actually at the quick access. Like, because I usually send it out to a lot of people, I need to access it as quick as possible. So what you do next is just to click on it and then you copy it. It's taking a little time. Let's just be patient, guys. There we go. Then you copy the file that you actually copied, that you actually clicked on, and then you go to your MT4 platform. My PC is tripping at the moment, so okay, as I told you guys, we should use the Eagle FX broker. Let me just try logging in. Log into trade account. I hope this doesn't take a lot of our time. Okay, boom, then you log in. So the next step is quite easy. You have to actually go to this on your top right corner, your top left corner where it's written files. Then you scroll down until you reach the data folders, and then you click on it. So the next thing you do is you'll after clicking that folder, you'll actually be directed to this. From there you just go into your NQL4 folder. NQL4, you go into the experts, battlebot. You can see there is already a battlebot here because I've been trading, but just for demonstration, let's paste it here. There we go, we got the battlebot installed, or should I say it's actually in the expert right now. So what do you do next? You go back to your MT4. If it's not visible here yet, you can just refresh, just right click and then you refresh. Yeah, we are waiting for it to refresh, guys. So there we got our battlebot. So what do you do next? As I told you guys, I already told you guys what pairs to trade. So what you do is you actually look for your pairs, like here. Let me see, what is this? US dollar against the Swiss franc. Let me see. Okay, GDP USD. So let's choose GDP USD. You just open the chart window. As you can see, there is nothing on the charts. There is nothing written on the charts yet. So you go on the 1 minute time frame and you take the battlebot and drag it onto the chart. So after you drag it onto the charts, you'll see a menu here is about and the commons and the inputs. So what you have to do next is where you see commons, you have to like tick everything here. You have to tick everything. Allow modification of signals. So what actually happens to the bot when you don't allow modification of signals is when the trail stop has to like trail a trade, it won't trail a trade because there won't be any modification of the signal. So it's very important to allow this as well. And then allow live trading. Okay, next you can check the inputs. On the inputs, this is where you actually find your stop loss in pips, and you can actually see two stop losses in pips. The difference between these stop losses in pips, you can actually see this one is 15 pips and this one is 15 pips as well. So if you perhaps want to change your stop loss, you can do that just here. You just click on it and just change it, and right click to save it, and then you actually press OK. But I actually recommend the default setup at the moment. I don't need you guys to change anything unless you actually know what you are doing. So volume upper limit, actually this is actually your lot size, and it's at 0.1, like it's at 0.1, and as you can see here, there are actually two, with one here and one here. The difference between these two is one is a sell signal and the other one is a buy signal. So you can actually change them at will if you want to change it. That all depends on you. So what do you do next? If you don't have anything to change, you can just click OK and continue. Waiting for tick. It should be working in a minute. Okay, now you can see here it's actually written working, but on your top right corner you can see this emoji. You can see the emoji is actually said. What might be the reason for that? You should actually activate auto trading. So after activating auto trading, you can see the emoji smiling again. So yep, there you got it, guys. So what next? I think that's basically it, guys. So what you wait for, you should actually just be waiting for the bot to take trades after that. I've had some messages about people complaining about the bot not taking trades. As you can see, the bot actually works when the screen of your PC is on, or when the PC is not off. You can actually just leave this menu and go to some other stuff. As long as your internet is actually working, the bot will still be working. So the best advice is for you guys to keep your PC on. And I've also received messages about questions like when is the right time to trade with a bot. I recommend the US and the London session. Guys, like if you make enough profit for the day, a bot is also like a human being. Like once you have made enough profit for the day, it's good to actually close your bot and wait for the next day. Don't let it run for the whole day, because sometimes the market becomes choppy afterwards and you might actually lose a bit of the profit, the profit that was actually made during the day. So yep, so as I said, the US market open and the London open. Those US market and the London market is actually the right time for the bot to work efficiently. So what other things should I actually tell you guys that I might not miss?